Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 19th to August the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the zing notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Ngayon po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan, so Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Pisces, let's start na, no? Ang nakikita ko dito, Pisces, is parang meron talaga tayong taong binabalik-balikan. Whether we are aware of that or probably this is subconscious, no? Parang talaga meron taong tumatak sa puso natin. Whether you might be in a relationship right now, hindi naman natin sinabing cheat, no? Pero meron talagang taong lagi nating iniisip. Well, it could also be our person, no? You might be in a separation right now. You're probably imagining that this relationship isn't over, di ba? Parang meron tayong urge, no, na wanting to make things better. Probably we are also daydreaming, no, with a lot of things. Especially kung itong si person talagang parang naudlot itong relationship natin. So parang nandito tayo sa the what if, no? We're living in the what if. Naku, sakit ni Pisces yan. I knew it. No, I'm one of you guys. So parang nakita ko dito si Pisces na lagi na lang tulala. Not because of blanco, no? Iba yung tulalang mukhang tanga, no? Ito yung tulala na natutulala siya kasi ang ganda-ganda, mas maganda yung nasa isip niya kaysa sa nangyayari dun sa totoong paligid niya, no? With the Ten of Pentacles and the Hangman. So parang iniisip mo dito, kailan kaya ito mangyayari, no? Ako ba yung gagawa ng move? Ako ba itong magsisimula, no? Or mag-aantay ba ako dito up until yung person ko is mag-offer, no? With the Knight of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, na ang nakikita ko dito, you have been stagnant. Siguro nga dahil sa sobrang pagmamahal, or sa sobrang nating damang-dama itong emotion, na-stuck up tayo doon sa, sabi sa'yo, sakit ni Pisces eh, na-stuck up tayo sa pagde-daydream, no? Dahil nga, mas maganda yung nangyayari sa isip natin, no? So parang dumadaan itong isang buong araw nang wala tayong nangyayari. Uy, parang ano ko yan? Is this a reading for myself? With the Hermit card and the Sun. Actually, maganda naman talaga itong balitang ito dahil I believe you are savoring. There's a manifestations in here na pwedeng sabihin natin, naku, ang lakas mo dyan, no? When it comes to manifestations. You're very detailed to what it is, kung ano yung gusto mo talagang mangyari, kung ano talaga, kung baga kahit yung brand, no? Let's say, gusto kong magkape. You have this certain brand and I wanted to be with that person. So parang pumapasok yung pagka-OC natin, no? Gusto ko ang kulay ng buhok ko is ganito, ang kulay ng damit ko ganyan, no? Gusto ko naka-couple shirt kami. So parang ganon, parang in detail ka, no? Sa iyong mga sabihin nating visions, no? Probably you're also doing some vision board with the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Swords. So, medyo naiinip na tayo. Meron na talaga ditong push na ako na kaya yung gagawa, no? Kumbaga sa, ano ba, paano ko ito mai-relate? Kumbaga sa nagpo-propose, uy, nangingilabot ako, oh. Chicken skin. So, kumbaga sa nagpo-propose, si yung not the norm kasi usually yung lalaki nagpo-propose. emotions, 'di ba? So parang sa'yo, ako na kaya gumawa, 'no? Si babae ngayon ang luluhod, 'no? Or kung lalaki ka naman, um, baka that's probably what you are expecting. So it's kind of like the reversal of what's the norm. Yun yung parang gusto mo nang gawin because of sobrang inept, no? Uh, the Ace of Wands and the Uy, wow. Ayokong sabihin, no? Pero I need to kasi nandito naman siya sa card and I can't lie kasi well, probably some of you can also read and just want some confirmation or probably knows the meaning of the cards. Pero kailangan ko talagang sabihin eh. If you are, no, if you want this person to fall in love with you quickly or person, if you want this person to make a move, no, nang medyo mas madali sa inaasahan, I believe that we can use your charm, no, with a touch of konting landi, with a touch of konting akit, no. Well, I believe that you know how to do it. You've mastered all of this, Pisces. But you also have the tendency to overdo it. So, alam mo na kapag na-overdo mo na rin. Pero, Diyos ko, tayo pa ba? Um, we're the masters of, kasi extremes, di ba? And we are the oldest sign of the zodiac. So, napagdaanan natin lahat na napagdaanan nila. Pero sila hindi kayang arukin ang lalim ni Pisces. So, marami kang kayang gawin na hindi nila kaya, no? And that is one of those is to neutralize or gauge or kumbaga weigh yung tamang basta nasa katinuan tayo, no? Yung tamang timpla ba ng landi at tamang timpla ng pagkamahinhin, no? Ay, magaling na magaling ka dyan. Yung kunyari, ay, hindi ko alam. Pero deep inside, alam natin yung ginagawa natin, no? Kumbaga, planadong-planado, pero pwede natin siyang pagmumukain na, ay, totoo ba? So, kung sino man po, no, ang gustong pumasok sa maang-maangan School of Acting, here's the Pisces. You light up my world, and are you thinking about me? So I think Pisces na medyo kung ginagawa mo na 'yan, no. Medyo kumakagat na no itong si person. And I believe kumbaga sa nanguhuli ng isda, no, naihagis mo na yung lambat, meron ng laman, no? Or kumbaga naaakit na kung hook ba ito, no? Malapit na yung bunganga nito ng isdang yon, no? And sooner or later, this person is gonna be under your spell. I can say any word, nice word or worst word, no, it's just the right amount under your spell. Let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, baka kapwa Pisces, no? Capricorn, Scorpio, and Cancer. Yan. So this is your reading, Pisces. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel. Like what I mentioned, kung hindi niyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kilalang kilala niyo yung sarili niyo, Pisces. Alam niyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no lang, no, na sagot. So dumiretso na kayo din sa ating website click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Bubungad po agad ang question form, no? Sa question form sa baba po no, nandun po yung information, how much per question, the name, the number, no? And also I also created itong 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. That's already a discounted price. If you want to book a private reading, dun din po yan sa same link sa description box. Hanapin nyo na lang po dun yung information. And Pisces, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. So if you want to um, win a raffle for a free reading, kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali kasi it may take time, ah, paki-report po itong mga fake accounts na nasa description box. And then screenshot, no, ito pong mga fake accounts na ito or yung inyong reports, no, and then send it to the designated email. Ayan. So pag nag-api po yan, we will book, I'm going to pick up a winner, no, for a free reading. And I mean it, that's free of charge. So, kung hinahanap niyo dito yung X-Files, no, itong readings about exes, I just posted a reading an hour ago, so you might want to check on it sa Facebook po, no? So, this is your reading, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.